Beautiful and bright single-family home in the gated community of Briar Bay in West Palm Beach, Florida. The home features 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 full bathrooms upstairs and a half bathroom downstairs. It has a 1-car garage and a driveway that fits 2 additional cars. The home has tile on the first floor. The stairs and second floor have newer carpet. Briar Bay offers a wonderful resort-style lifestyle with a host of amenities including a beautiful pool, kids splash pad, a gym and tennis courts. The HOA requires that the rental amount does not exceed 36% of the tenant's verifiable taxable income. The HOA requires annual reapproval.